Closing sales transactions lesson from solving a Rubik's Cube. Number 4, the Rubik's Cube's top cross section, yellow cross, symbolize securing commitment, gaining a verbal agreement or commitment from the client to proceed. This step signifies the transition from interest to intention. It's the first sign of closing the deal. Small wins pave the way for big achievement. Celebrate progress but remain focused. Reinforce their decision by summarizing their needs and how the solution meets them. This reassures clients they are making the right choice. Example, after walking the clients through the benefits and investment potential of the property, they express their intention to reserve the unit. You confirm the next step for the reservation process, ensuring mutual understanding.